So first thing first, let's to load the dataset into Power BI. So this is the dataset which we are going to visualize. So let's click on load. So our dataset is uploaded. There's close to 11,000 rows in the dataset. So as you can see on the right side. Yeah. So let's change the canvas background first. Okay. So now let's have our first card. Let's okay. Let's show closing price, the average of it. Okay. Closing price average. Making it Arial black. Keeping it center. Making it Arial black. Okay. Okay. And let me just okay. Let's have a shadow as well. It's done, I guess. Okay. Okay. Now let's have volume. Here we're gonna show total trading volume. Okay. So let's change the title. Total trading volume. Okay. And in the average closing price, let's have let's sum it. No, let's have maximum. So it's highest closing price. Highest closing price. And here I'm gonna add a slicer. Okay. Going to settings. Let's have it drop down one. Okay. Let's have it Arial black. Okay. But in the field, I forgot to add date. Just a second. So as you can see, okay. So I've added the slicer earlier because I'm used to doing these kind of dashboards. So actually you should add later on actually. So let's build our first visualization, which is line chart. So over here, let's have date. Okay. By year only. I'm going to visualize by year only and have closing price and average of it, the average closing price, stock price trend over the time. And let's remove this. Let's have, okay. And let's have here. Okay. So I don't have to, design the part again and again. Stock price trend. Okay. Okay. So values of title of, okay. So that's it. Let's have another card. another visualization. Sorry. This time I'm gonna have column chart, a clustered one. So let's have sum of volume. Okay, trading volume. Done. Let's have another card, area chart. Okay, and let's have two area chart. Let's show the high and low, the average of it. Okay, make it black. Let's make it. Okay, okay, done. I guess. Okay, so now let's have another visualization. So which is going to be combo chart. We have done these kind of combo charts earlier as well. So this is line and clustered column chart, which we're going to use over here. So in the column y-axis, I'm going to have sum of volume, and line y-axis, I'm going to have average closing price. Sorry. Let's change the color. Okay, now it's all done. So now let's do the aesthetic part of this dashboard. Let's add a few PNGs which I've already selected. Going to insert, clicking on image, going to downloads. So I've already downloaded a few PNGs which I'm gonna add over here to give a more aesthetic appeal to this dashboard. You can select any PNG you like as per the theme of your dashboard. Okay, let's okay, okay. So that's it for this particular dashboard. I think we all done with it. So this is our final dashboard. You can change any aesthetic part of it. You can add different PNGs. You can add different kind of images, different background. So I've kept things simple for all of you to understand it correctly. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next time.